Math Concept 101. Today we are going to learn about area, but there are many different types of area. So we're going to learn about the area of a triangle. There could be many ways to find a triangle, but I'm going to show you 2 ways. And the first way, the formula is half times base times height. Let's start with the problem. We have this right triangle here, and the height is 6, and the base is 5. Okay. So the formula would be half times 6 times 5. And half of 6 is 3 times 5 equals 15. So you have this triangle is 15 centimeters squared. This technique is a little bit more complicated. So we're going to start off with a nice triangle. So first you would find the related rectangle to it. And the related rectangle would use the length of it, and then the height of it would usually meet at a right angle. So then I would complete it, and this would be the related rectangle of this triangle. So first, let me see. It's kind of confusing to see, so I'm going to shade in the actual triangle for you, so it's more easier to see. So this would be the actual triangle. As you can see, the biggest part is, well, half of the whole entire rectangle. I'm going to shade in that for you so you can see it. So we have that part shaded in. So then I'm going to shade in the other part of it, which is to really figure out this problem. We would actually use that to really figure this out. And in the beginning, it might almost seem like it's part of the full triangle, which is round. So as you can see now, everything is nice and shaded in. So now let's start saying what the height and what the length is. Let's say the height is 6 and the base is 4. So so we would figure out half of 6 times 4, and we'll figure out what this, the aqua part is. So 6 times 4 is 24, and half of that is 12. So half of this is 12 centimeters squared. So the whole thing is 24 centimeters squared. So first, now we have to figure out the blue part. And usually the problem would give you more calculations. So let's start off. So this much would be about, let's just say, 4. And the base is 4. And in the beginning, when I said to find an area of a right triangle, half times base times height, well, I'm going to use that. So 4 times 4 is 16, and half of 16 is 8. So this much is 8, and this much is 12 centimeters squared. So let me add them up. 12 plus 8 is 20. And then the whole thing is 24. Wait, it's not 206, it's just 20, so don't mess that up. So the whole thing is 24. So 24, well, let me try a different color so it's more easier to see. So 24 minus 20 is 4. Okay? So that means the brown part is 4 centimeters squared. So that's another way to find an area of a triangle. That's the end. Math Concept 101.